How to get matches on Tinder. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get matches on Tinder. So to do that, first of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Tinder account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to match with someone, first of all, let me give you an example. So let's say you like this person and simply like this person. Now in order to get a match with that person will also have to like you, and only then will you be able to get a match on Tinder. So let me show you an example. This person right over here, I simply swiped right on them, meaning I liked them, and that person also swiped right and liked me. Now once you both like each other, they will show up on the matches, and now you will also be able to chat with them. So that was the only way on how you can get matches on Tinder. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.